Very good afternoon, students. This is L.K. Tripathi, SST teacher from LPM Public School. My dear students, in the last video, we have discussed about the February Revolution. What happened after February? What type of social changes established in Russia? We have discussed already about that. Now we have a new video that is also related to the same chapter. The topic is making a socialist society. During the Civil War, the Bolsheviks kept industries and banks nationalized. This was the dream of Bolshevik to bring such types of social changes in Russia. That was the industrial change. Banks should be nationalized and other type of more changes should be there in the society. They permitted peasants to cultivate the land that had been socialized. Bolsheviks used confiscated land to demonstrate what collective work could be. The Bolsheviks, which was a party in Russia, leader was Vladimir Lenin, who confiscated मीन्स होता है जब्त करना. जो वहाँ पर लैंड थी उसको उसने जब्त करने की जो है नीति अपनाई. एंड ही एडवोकेटेड फॉर द कलेक्टिव वर्क इन रशिया. मीन्स द कलेक्टिव वर्क शुड बी डन in the country, and the people, means big landlord who had confiscated or auctioned, captured the land, should be freed. A process of centralized planning was introduced. Officials assessed how the economy could work and set targets for a 5-year period. On the basis, they made the 5-year plans. The government fixed all prices to promote industrial growth during the first two plans. That was in 1927 to 1932 and 1933 to 1938. Centralized planning led to economic growth. Industrial production increased between 1929 and 1933 by 100% in the case of oil, coal and steel. New factory cities came into being. Now we can say the developmental process started in Russia after the formation of Bolshevik power. However, rapid construction led to poor working conditions. In the city of Magnitogorsk, the construction of a steel plant was achieved in 3 years. Workers lived hard lives, and the result was 550 stoppages of work in the first year alone. In living quarters in the winter time at 40 degrees below, people had to climb down from the 4th floor and dash across the street in order to go to the toilet. Condition was very critical. People living in the areas, in very difficult areas, and during the winter when extreme winter was there, the temperature was below -40 degrees, and they had to climb down from their roofs and go to far away for toilets. An extended schooling system developed, and arrangements were made for factory workers and peasants to enter universities. Creches were established in factories for the children of women workers. Cheap public health care was cheap public health care was provided. Model living quarters were set up for workers. The effect of all this was uneven, though since government resources were limited. In this way, the Russian society, Russian industrial development was taking place in the country, and this was the gradual process under the supervision of Bolshevik power. Rest we shall discuss in the next video. Till then, thank you.